Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Adidas on PRINTIFY, where style meets innovation. Whether you're an athlete or a fashion enthusiast, Adidas has something for everyone. Founded in 1949 by Adolf Dassler, Adidas has grown into one of the most iconic sportswear brands in the world. Known for its innovative designs and commitment to performance, Adidas continues to set trends in both sports and streetwear. So, what is PRINTIFY? PRINTIFY is a powerful print-on-demand platform that allows creators to design and sell custom products. Partnering with major brands like Adidas, PRINTIFY makes it easy to create high-quality, personalized merchandise without the need for inventory. Now, let's explore the fantastic range of Adidas products available on PRINTIFY. From classic t-shirts and stylish hoodies to trendy accessories, the options are endless. Each product is designed with quality in mind, ensuring you get the best for your customers. What sets PRINTIFY apart is its easy-to-use customization tools. You can add your own designs, graphics, or text to create unique Adidas gear that stands out. With a few simple clicks, you can bring your vision to life. PRINTIFY prides itself on quality, using advanced printing techniques like DTG, direct-to-garment, and sublimation. This ensures that your designs are vibrant and long-lasting, giving customers the best possible experience. Adidas appeals to a wide audience: athletes, streetwear lovers, and everyone in between. By using PRINTIFY, you can tap into this massive market, offering customized products that resonate with your target demographic. Ready to create your own Adidas designs? Getting started is simple. Sign up on PRINTIFY, browse the Adidas collection, and start customizing. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of fashion and design. Don't forget to check out Adidas on PRINTIFY and unleash your creativity today.